Have a wonderful day, everyone. It's another day of work here on our railing here in front of our house. And today, they continue installing the cyclone, or what we called also an interlink. So they able to install from here going down there. And today is the third day of work on this one. It's a bit hotter today. Still no rain here. But in some other place in the Philippines, they are raining. But I don't know here, no rain at all. I guess there are 4 more to go to be installed with this interlink or cyclone, because they have to put the framing and then also the interlink, then weld it together. Ana daday kay nga ni magtaod-taod bo. Ana na kaani pero na ka makataod. He said he used to work like this, like also installing a gate. And this morning also they work on the gate. They try to fix it because it is hard to open and close, and maybe it was not aligned because the backhoe guy was hit the gate before when he came out from our farm, and he never careful going out. Then that backhoe guy never come back for work, even though they owe us around 2 hours, which cost us 2,400 because per hour is for the rent is 1,200, and also the 30 liters of diesel. But good things that the worker are able to fix our gate, and it works good now. They already put in the 3 rebars, the both sides and below. Now they are putting in the one on the top, then weld it afterwards. Marag ubos.
Up, teka, dara. Gibra. Gibra. Up, sulak. Good. Sige diso. Okay.
Adjust na lang dira. Nakapan ng ani, skuti ang cyclone. You had to tighten it, then weld it, then hold the interlink is pointed on the top. So what they did is they weld also something in the middle. Now they are cleaning the place before going home. It's almost 5 o'clock and it's Friday. So tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, they don't have work on weekends. Only weekdays, Monday to Friday. Yeah, he did a good job on this
Kita na ang
railing. Ha?
Kita na ang mulak dito.
Oop, ah.
Oo. Tanaw ta, kita ta ni
Look at the work of the railing. So this is what they have done today. Putting the interlink. So there are 3 more to go. And next time we're gonna order more rebar and I guess more cement so they can start the finishing here in front, and after that working on the painting of the railing, then work on the column. So I guess that is for today's video, everyone. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Please do like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless everyone.